Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. I just found this free blower on the side of the street. It says this blower does not work. There's a video on YouTube that may help fix it. Maybe. I didn't even look at it. I noticed that the power button right here is pushed in and you can't put any power to it. The battery is charged up and so it looks like it works. So what I'm gonna do is pull off all of these screws on the side, and then we should be able to split the cases and get to this button and see what the issue is. Well, that was a really easy fix. I got everything taken apart, about 1,000 of these little screws that have this type of head on them. And all it was you just gotta pop off this little cover and then your button works perfectly. And we'll test it out. Oh, whoops. Yeah, and then you just squeeze it and... So the blower works completely fine. It was all just because of this little button wasn't allowing it to push. You can see it got worn out over time, and that's the only problem. So just remove this little sticker and don't go taking apart the whole thing. So hopefully this helps you guys out. Hope you learned something. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video. Uh-oh. Oh.
Pretty good.
Does that blow pretty good?
Yeah.
Really happy with that.
Woo.
We fixed it.
And it's lightweight.
Yeah. Not
Compared to
bad
mine,
for on
yeah.
the side of the street, right?
Dang right.